Hello friends, how are you? I hope you're fine. My name is Adu Biya.
And I am Abdul Nafe.
I am Mujafe.
Today we are going to tell you some interesting facts about the sun. So let's start our video.
The sun is in the center of the solar system. Can I send a yellow? Do you know the Latin word for the sun is sol? Sun is earth.
Do you know the temperature of the sun is 5505 degrees Celsius?
The sun is the largest thing in the solar system and one only star in the solar system.
The radius of the sun is 696,340 kilometers.
Do you know the sun is made up of white hot gases?
Do you know why all planets revolve around the sun? They revolve around it because of its strong gravity. The Earth is 93 million miles away from the Sun. 98% of the Sun is made up of hydrogen and helium. 99% of Earth's population to experience sunlight simultaneously. 7 to 8 billion years are left for the Sun to die or completely exhaust.
Sun is round. Flowers bloom with the help of sun. The sun is the source of heat and light energy. The sun rises first in Japan.
So friends, that's all for today. So like the video and subscribe the channel, and please do not forget to hit the bell.
So till our next video, Allah Hafiz and bye-bye. Bye-bye.